what? Can you tell me, honey?
Where? Love you. Where? It's couch.
Where is other? Where love you? Where is other? I don't know, but you're gonna make me cry. I love you. I love you so much.
Love you. Yes.
No, thank you, good.
It's.
Is what, honey?
Bye. Love you.
No, I'm just sad. No, I'm just sad. I'm okay. I love you.
I'm out of town for a night, and Shannon is staying with Bunny, Otter, and Tenrec.
Where?
Shannon, where? Shannon's right here. Where what, Buns? Where what?
Mom. Love you.
Mom back later. Shannon's gonna stay tonight. Yeah.
Sound. Ear. See.
The sound outside is a generator. We can go see in a moment.
Sound. Work.
Yes, it's a work sound. That's right. The device is called generator.
Play. Work.
No, I guess I would classify it as work.
Sound. Look.
I finished what I was eating here, and then we went outside to give her a peek at the generator. Here's a great example of how Tenrec uses the buttons differently than Bunny and Otter. He just runs over them in contextually appropriate ways. I don't know. I don't share much of it because people are just going to say, no, this is coincidence, but it happens all the time. And I'll start sharing examples if you like.
Okay, I need to go potty real quick.
Daddy.
Yes.
Otter. Dog.
Yes, Otter is dog. That's right, Bubba. What is Bunny?
Dog.
Yeah? Bunny is dog. What is Mom?
Bunny takes a quick break here to go see what Tenrec's getting up to, and it is play, as always.
What animal is Mom? Can you tell me using your words?
Family.
Family animal? Okay, that's fair.
Ten is actually playing with Bunny's favorite pink ball right now.
Uh-oh. You gonna get it?
Oh, running.
Okay, let me get you a different one. Go get it.
I get her another one. She doesn't want it.
Get it. Get your toy. Cat. Tenrec is dog. Tenrec is dog animal.
We end up going for a walk instead, and everyone gets their own ball.
Dog. Animal. Cat. Friend.
Cat friend? Do you mean Tenrec? Yeah. I mean, I would love for Tenrec to be your cat friend, or your dog friend, or your friend, period. But most days, you seem not to like him very much. Is Tenrec friend? Subtle cat? Subtle stranger cat? Did Tenrec? He's barking at something. You want him to settle?
Cat.
Yeah, cat. Okay. We can call him Cat. What are you doing, little cat? What are you doing, little cat? Oh, someone's got their spunk back. Yeah, you looking at Tenrec?
Friend. Cat.
Oh, yay! 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 Watch Buns navigate having siblings.
Right here.
So Buns wants to be on the bed here, but
Right here.
she won't come up because
Come on.
Tenrec's on the bed. It's a king-sized bed. There's clearly not enough room.
Share. Share, family. You have to share, Bubba.
Why?
Because that's what family does. Family share. So you and Tenrec and Mom, we can all be on the bed together.
Dog.
The temps have been in the single digits for a while, and we've gotten a ton of new snow. Tomorrow hot? Let's see. Yeah, well, actually it says tomorrow snow. Ooh, it's a winter weather advisory.
Rain.
Yeah, cold rain. Cold rain. Here's another example of 10 being the fastest button pusher in the West and also contextually appropriate.
Dog.
You talking to Bunny? Did you say you dog? Did you say you dog to Buns?
I'm so grateful for Bunny's ability to communicate her specific needs at any given moment.
What? Bunny.
For an anxious and reactive dog, having the ability to manufacture outcomes in a world that feels wildly unpredictable is truly the biggest gift. I hope you take some time today to ask your dog, what can I do for you? How can I help you? And remember that every moment is precious. We recently got the Pawzler puzzle feeder, and all three of my dogs are obsessed with it. Watch what Bunny does the first time she meets it.
It's called Puzzle Feeder. Puzzle.
Look at Buns exploring these new words.
Is real? What is real? Is what real?
Pretend. Sound.
What sound? Is it a real sound? What did you hear?
Ultimately, I couldn't get any more information out of her, but I'm really excited to see where this goes. We are getting ready to go for a walk. It's about 24 degrees outside. I built a fire in the morning, then I went upstairs and worked. I let it go out, so I'm rebuilding the fire here before we go for a walk.
Do what?
Now, in retrospect, it seems obvious to me that she's saying, yes, do build that fire, but I didn't get that until watching it back.
Do what? What do you want to do, Bunny? Can you tell me more? Do what, Bubba? What do you want to do? Tell me more. Was hot? Well, we're going to make it hot again. The fire went out, so I'm making the fire go. Do you want to go for a walk?
Wind.
It doesn't look too windy outside. I think we can safely go for a no-wind walk.
Afternoon. Fire.
Afternoon fire? Yeah, and morning fire. See, it's going again now. I let it go out, but it's going again now. Just gonna get the fire going, okay, honey?
Cold.
I know, baby. I know. It's gonna be warm soon. It'll be hot soon. See? Fire.
Subscribe.